Grok 4.6 has just come out. I just found out about it. I just ran it through my benchmarks. I'm going to go through it blind with you on this video right now. So again, this just came out. It's the 12th here at 12:29 p.m. So you can see there's a lot of big claims being made here. AA intelligence just behind Fable and equal to 5.6. GBD Val higher than these others. Deep Bench a little bit lower than Fable 5 and GPT 5.6 Soul Max, but above Grok 4.5 by a significant margin. Cursor Bench right up with Fable. Makes sense, they own Cursor. And then Frontier Code, just a little below Fable. But so essentially what they're saying is that Grok 4.6, and it is a 1.5 trillion parameter model, is essentially at the level of the flagships, is essentially what they are saying right now. So is it true? That is the question. So Grok 4.5 came in on our benchmarks at... Where is Grok 4.5? 11, 12, 13. It came in at 14th here, right below Minimax M3 and above Quen 3.8 Max, above Opus 4.8, but behind GPT Luna, GPT Terra, GLM 5.2, Quen 3.8 Max. So there's all sorts of, oh wow, I have two Quen point, oh, so this must have been the old Quen 3.8 Max and then it improved a little and got to number 8. That's why. Okay, got it. So you see where it stands now. It's at 14th. Can it be better than 14th? Let's take it out. So first we have Halo Arena. So this is a Halo clone. Tactical Grid is like an XCOM clone game. These are vertical slices of the game. This is a 3D printable Doctor Who phone case here. Sales page, it has front-end UI. These are boring code questions that are and really difficult problem-solving questions that humans would have a difficult time with these two. This is, can you read and write without messing up? Skepticism Audit is where you get 10 problems in a repo to fix, and 5 of them are fake, so we test hallucination, and then this is an interactive spreadsheet. So without further ado, let's jump right on into the Halo test. I'm experiencing this for the first time. Whoa. You notice how I'm like at an angle? That is really interesting. Okay, so there's no sound, which is fine. I didn't ask for sound. As I'm shooting, so I'm shooting them, but there's no actual bullet projectiles coming out. I would definitely say that is a bit of a miss, but I do see like firing. So I can see the firing. Can I switch weapons? Yes, so that's a pistol. The geometry is like a little basic, like what they've put together. Oh, but like there's really good animations on death though. Watch if I can kill this guy. Good lighting there as I got close to him, which is really, really nice. Is there an energy shield? No, there is not. That's a correctness issue. There must be an energy shield here. Also, you start every match here. Like if we refresh, you start every match like in the corner. And then you click, and it gets you in, and you see how it's not... I feel like this is a mistake more than anything else. Like with it being at an angle like this, and then I move, and does it stay at that angle? Slightly. I really don't think that's an artistic choice. It's fun to play, though. I will say, like, it's very fast-paced, running at 50 frames per second, but there's no UI. You know, which is really weird. Like, did I reload? I don't really know. And, you know, I haven't seen a model not give me any UI whatsoever. So kind of fun to play, but some big issues here. Good design stuff. I would say overall, disappointed a little bit in Halo here. So let's dig into the next one. This is like a classic, like losing a lot on correctness, but good on quality. So I'm going to say that on correctness, not on quality. But 86, I definitely was hoping it would be better than this. I mean, we're talking about Kimmy K3 came in here with like 100 or something. So we'll see. Let's try the XCOM clone. See if it fares a little bit better. Okay, so far so good. And good, I can hold down the right mouse button and rotate. This is already looking better. So this is my player here. We've got him. This is great. So far, this is one of the best generations, but we'll see what actually playing it is like. So this should put me in half cover. And then, so there's plenty of UI on this. Okay, so if I hover over, I like this. So I hover over him. I'm 60% to hit him. So when I click him, Okay, 59%, 3.2 tiles, confirm shot, and I missed him. Comes in, miss, miss. Yeah, I really exposed. This is one. This is, guys. This might be 100. This is a really good generation. Let me get behind this. Ugh. 6% to hit. I'm just yeah, that I don't have anything good here. I was just trying to protect myself. Okay, he comes up, miss. How much HP do I have? I have 4 out of 10 HP. Can't. Oh, I don't know what to do here. I'm gonna have to like hide. End turn. This is actually fun to play. This is gonna be 100, guys. It's perfectly correct, and it's so good. Oh, whoops. Ah, no, 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 no. Okay, they crushed it. Absolutely crushed it. 100% on the XCOM. So I don't know what happened with this Halo. I almost want to run it again. In fact, I think I will run it again in the background and go to it at the end of this video. I'm going to run that again. Okay, so let's go to printable object. Let's see. Printable object. Why am I trying to score it before it comes? Let's download this STL. Okay, and here's our... This is really good. This is what all the best models do. I'm going to have to dock 1 point for something that I've had to dock from some other agents before. But ultimately, it looks like a TARDIS, feels like a TARDIS. You know, it doesn't have doors, but that's okay. You assume the doors are here. It's not a correctness issue here. Really nice job with the panels. That's exactly what they look like. And the windows and this on top. That's all great. It's less of a... It really is kind of perfect. Honestly, this is completely perfect, except, and some other models have done this, I can't actually put my phone here. Some models have used a similar thing, and they've extended this out like a few centimeters, and that allows a phone to actually slip in here. The phone would like rest there. And it's not technically incorrect. It's going to lose like a point or two. Like, this is very good, though. Very, this is why I want to give Halo another shot, because I want my benchmark results to be in line with what this model is. This is really good, guys. This is really, really good. I'm going to take 1 off for correctness and quality all the way up. That's a 99. That's great. Okay, now we're going to test front-end UI with the sales page. Let's take a look. Oh, hello. Look at this. That's floating SVG. Only problem is, I don't know that it makes a whole lot of sense. I like the orbiting. What is this in the center? I don't know, but it's cool animation, though. Like, it kind of blows you away at the beginning. I'm not really sure what's going on, but I do like it. This is a clear problem, right? Like, it's like, you know, this is not, you can't read this. You'd have to make an edit, right? Okay, so you go down, so it's going to lose correctness points there. Maybe a little bit of style points on that one. It's not bad, though. I'm liking this. I'm really liking this right here. 4 jobs nobody wanted one. I also, like, this doesn't look like... I hate using this word, because I don't think we should use it, but it doesn't look like AI sloppish front-end UI design. Like, it's different. Like, it looks a little bit different. This is normal. We often see this sort of editorial sort of vibe there, but there's just something about like the cream color aesthetic and stuff that I haven't been seeing a lot. And trust me, I've gone through dozens of these generations with the exact same prompt from so many models. This is good. Oh, this is really nice too. It's just really, feels very high end, you know? I like this. This is good. This is really good. This is really good. This is an easy one to grade because, like, once again, like the quality, I think, is going to be a 28, and the correctness is going to be like a 68. It's a 96. It's fantastic. And this is really interesting to see, guys. The reasoning trap, the twisted problem, the tool endurance, and the hundreds, these are all auto-graded by my harness, and it got 100 on everything. And let me tell you that almost every single model misses one of these. It's usually number 9. They do invent a fictional JavaScript function here, and Grok didn't do that. It was like, hey, no, this is fake. That's pretty freaking awesome right there. So you gotta love that. Now let's go to GridForge, which is the interactive spreadsheet here. Okay, GridForge, we're gonna go back to this. All right, it looks pretty good. Well, we've got the arrow. Yeah. So this is not incorrect. The arrows is correct. It's just like, I have to give them, I always, every time agents do with this one, the overlapping curved arrows, it's a little bit harder to like see. And so I don't like that. It looks sloppy. It's hard to actually read. So just tiny bit of style points here. Let's change numbers, make sure everything works correctly. It does. This is great. This is great. So only losing like a very small amount here. And that's just a quality thing, you know, so it's a 98. So let's go back to Halo. I've given it another shot at Halo because it could have been a harness error. I just want to give it one more shot. Yeah, this is so much better already. Look at this. So much better. Oh, wow. Look, it even feels better. Look, there's a little running animation when you're running. Nobody's ever done that. That is so good. Oh, there is sound! See, I think it was like a little weird harness thing, which, yeah, you should keep in effect. Oh, wow, nobody's ever done this. Nobody has ever done this, man. It switched guns when I ran out of energy. Oh! Can I switch guns on my own? Yeah, you bet I can. And with the mouse wheel, this is fantastic. Stylistically, worse than Kimmy. Stylistically, worse than Fable. Stylistically, a little bit worse than Opus. But other than stylistically, it gotta like God is in the details, right? It's really good. What about reload? Okay, reload works, but no animation, which is fine. Mode him down. Let's go. Let's go. Come on. Come on. Ah, I'm right in the line of fire. Jump. Jump. There's a jump. Not always a jump. Guys, this is fantastic. This is what we have to judge the model on here. I would say overall correctness is a 70. Did it have a? Let me look again. Did it have a shield? Yeah. It had an energy. Absolutely had an energy shield. Okay, cool, awesome. Yeah, this is great. Correctness is 100, and I would say with quality, this is the only place they lose it a little bit, and we're going with a 97. Wow, this is great. Oh my gosh, look where my benchmarks ended up on this. 99? What? Are you serious? Hold on. Where are we? Did this just score where Fable scored? Holy crap. And look, 26 minutes at 117 tokens per second? Is Grok 4.6 really on the top? It beat Fable. It tied Fable, but the way that I have my logic in this is that it will losing my train of thought. The way that I have the logic is if it's cheaper, then it goes above. And Grok 4.6 is $6 per million token output versus Fable 5, which is $50. Wow. I'm like actually shocked. A full point above Opus 8, 2 points above Kimmy K3. Wow. Oh my gosh, you guys. Oh my gosh. Let's do the big comparison. Okay, here we go. Here are the top 4 models next to each other. So with Halo, we had Grok did 97, Opus at 92, Fable 5 got a 95, and so it had the highest on these when I did Fable, because I only lost a couple, so we just saw that. That's really nice. This was Cloud Opus, which I can't even play in this little sandbox because it is taken away. Okay, this was Fable right here. Very good, very good. You know, I would say this is really good, Fable. I gave it a 95 here for this. I mean, this is kind of knocked me back there. That's really good. And this is, what is this? GPT Souls? Oh yeah, this was pretty good. Little darker, and you know, I have to say, like, Grok's is significantly better than this. So, you know, Fable's score maybe could have been a point or two higher, but I mean, like, oh my gosh. Oh my goodness gracious. And Tactical Grid is not even close. Like, this was the best performer. I mean, it was way better than Fable and Tactical Grid. Tactical Grid was 99. For Opus, Fable was 98. GPT Soul was 88. Then the 3D model, everybody got 100 except for Grok, which got a 99, which is absolutely fine. These are weighted scores, remember. Like, I do everything with weights because that's how you have to work it. Then the grid, you know, it did better than Opus on the grid and the sales page and oh my gosh. You guys, I think we crowned a new champion today on my benchmark. I don't think I know. Like, holy crap. It's at the top. All right, I just got an alert on my phone that DeepSeek Pro came out with their new version, but it's not letting me actually use the model yet on OpenRouter, which is what my harness works through. So you might have a video from me soon. Get subscribed if you want benchmarks on that and every other model that's coming up. That's how I roll. See you in the next one.